Hi guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? Na-miss nyo ba ang aking pagbablog? So ito na po, this is our life in India. 2 taon po kaming natira doon at ang masasabi ko po ay na-enjoy ko po ang pagtira sa India kasama ng aking mga naging kaibigan. This is Sindhu. She is the first Zumba instructor that I met in Bangalore. I know you have to remove everything. I stuck in it. Sorry.
Oh my god!
Yay!
Oh,
Surprise!
I can't even believe this! Oh my god! Two!
Yeah.
Cheer to India.
Thank you. Last breakfast in India. Food
Last
this time.
breakfast for
India.
cheers. Thank you, India. Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you, India. Nina, thank you. Cheers. Nemo, cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
No, mine.
May silosa dito.
Mine.
Oh my gosh, come with us. Hindi pa naman kami ang ano. Pero thank you for coming. Alam mo, malayo pa lang kita ka na kita.
Talaga? And dito
Oo.
lang ako kanina pa eh.
Sabi ni Nina, that's Tita Heart, Tita Heart. Ay ko, wala ang surprise mo. Nakita ka agad namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last year.
Hindi sila busy.
Sila busy.
No. Let's go.
Ikaw na lang, love. It's you. Let it you do it, love.
Okay, now.
Okay, bye, India. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye, India. Namaste.
Namaste.
Ayan. It's confirmed. San Francisco. Okay, bye. Bye, India. Bye, India.